You can get into a comfortable position, preferably without legs or arms crossed, spine, hips, and neck aligned. As the guides lead us in the meditation, which is a guided practice of intention, you can follow along. You can just kind of drift or think about the occurrence happening in you. You also can repeat the thoughts and the words yourself. It's just important to find what works best for you and helps you get into the expanded state of connection and awareness. And the connection is always occurring. So the practices of intention are to bring us back home to where we are aware of this connection and the energy and the sound and the lights flowing through us. So sit back, or if you prefer to be involved in an activity, as long as you are safe and can function while listening, and enjoy. If you enjoy the meditation, please click like and subscribe. That allows our work to be heard by other people and expands the reach and allows YouTube to help us get it up further on visibility. Thank you. We greet you this day with love, dear ones, and we welcome you into the light. As you relax your body, breathing in air, allowing it to circulate through your form, bring your attention to your spinal column and place your awareness into the alignment and the relaxation of it, making sure that you are not lying crooked or pinching nerves. And as you breathe in and as you breathe out, imagine you are breathing in tremendous, clear white light. There may be some hues of other colors coming in as well. Beautiful blues or greens, peach, purples. Allow yourself to acknowledge whatever comes to you and accept it as it is without controlling the situation. And breathing, allow yourself to accept and know that this light, these colors, move through your form, filling it with healing, with restoration, with calm. And as you breathe out, letting go tension from your muscles, allowing your mind to smooth out and your body to relax even more deeply. And as you breathe, imagine that from the top of your spine connected to the base of your skull, you see this white light. It is high vibration and tone, pure divine love essence. It moves through your spine, through each vertebrae and each disc. It moves through the spinal fluid, through your blood, your veins. It moves through your nerve endings and the muscles attached to your spine as well. And allow yourself to simply think this or to accept it and be aware that all along your spine, all areas connected and affected come into alignment for your perfect health, your radiant well-being. Allow yourself to flow, to sink into it. Clear white light filling and moving through all the tissues, the nerve endings, muscles, all parts attached, surrounding, filled with the white light of perfect health. And as you relax your body, knowing that the light flows through you, filling your spine completely, seeing your spine as radiant white light. From your spine, imagine and see fine lines as harp strings moving off of it. It moves out into the space, the air and energy around your body. It moves out into the space around your body, stretching out through layers of realms, reality. These strands resonate and sing a high vibration, high tone, and stretch, moving as far as you can see, through space, through time, through realms of reality, to the oneness, divine source, pure love. And as perfect health, the being that you are, radiant at your core, there comes a knowing in yourself that just as a stringed instrument is tightened and tuned, so the strands, the strings of your energy connection from divine source connected to your spinal column is tightened and tuned, made beautiful sound by the beings of divine love and resurrection of perfected form. And as an observer, standing back, watching as you would a film, a television show, an image, see these beings of love, of healing, working on these strands, fine-tuning them. And as they do, not only does your spine come into alignment, but the music played, reverberating from these strands, these lines of light, each one connected to a different disc, an area of vertebrae. You begin to notice and see that they also are connected to different organs and different aspects of your body. Allow yourself permission and follow along with stating or thinking. I give myself permission to align in perfect, radiant good health, that the well-being of my body, my mind, my essence are attuned to divine love. And see and know and allow yourself to believe, to make it possible. For what you hold in awareness, so you allow manifestation of. And even for those who struggle with more long-term ailment in the physical form, know that you can fine-tune these strands. The more that you work with them, the more that you align with divine essence of love, of radiant good health. And if you feel yourself pull out of alignment, do this attunement again, asking the guides, the aids and helpers for assistance. And relaxing, breathing, letting go control, surrender into the lightness, the glorious white light of healing, compassion, and self-love, and love for all, for healing to unfold. And as you are sitting here, or lying, or moving about, pulling back further, still seeing the strands, the strings, moving off of your spinal column, off of your organs and body regions, moving through space and time and realms, connected to divine healing and love. as you observe the assistance taking place from those guides surrounding, lending helping hand. So pull back further still, and you see that around yourself there is a shimmer of vibration taking place. The room you are in, and the air, and the items, the objects, any other people, animal companions, in nature, trees and grasses, rock formations, buildings, vehicles, the sky, clouds, all things you notice are vibrating as essence, as love. This is the core foundation of all existence. Pure love. Pure love. And seeing, you notice it resonates in you. And allowing physical relaxation. Allowing acceptance of the connection. Knowing you are worked on, worked with, upheld, penetrated, immersed with divine beauty and love and radiant well-being on every level. Now at this time, we encourage to place out the thought as you are ready and willing, asking, what is it I am learning to integrate at this point in my life? And allow any thought, any image, any impression to come to you. Anything that comes up, observe. And know and permit that as you carry on in your day, placing out the intent to be aware and receive response. Give yourself permission to be open for the information to come to reveal itself to you in your life. In all the many ways it may arrive. It may be a knowing within yourself, a guide speaking to you. It may be something you read or are led to pick up and read. Or another being speaking with you of human form or through television. So many manners, a song on the radio, and something in these shimmers and stands out. Listen to the messages you receive, to the thoughts that come to you in mind, and feeling the essence of them. Regardless of the information, does it lift up? Is it refined essence, lightness? And allow yourself to perceive and receive and reflect. Continue relaxed. You may stretch out your arms, your fingers, wiggling them slightly, stretching your legs, elongating your spine at the stretch, slow and flowing, aware that the white light flows and ripples through you, your whole body. It moves through your entire form. It flows out through your feet, your hands, your eyes, your mouth, the top of your head, through all areas of skin, flows out through your spine, tailbone. You notice that the connections, these strands, beautiful strands of light, are still and always connected. being worked on and fine-tuned as you allow, as you permit, as you request. They are connected as pure love, source, essence, oneness, and harmony. And allow yourself, permit your body to absorb the frequency of these strands as they are ever fine-tuned and readjusted in alignment. And that your body, your organs, your tissue, your bones, all parts of self, allow the frequency to move down through the strands, reverberate through you, and allow and know, whether you see it, whether you acknowledge, whether you don't, that these frequencies move out through your form, and the energy is in all. For all is one, connected and whole, pure love. Shalom. Peace be, dear love.